Hardware Resources Pantry Swingout and door mount features beautiful solid birch construction with a clear UV finish for easy cleaning. Adjustable shelves allow you to maximize spacing to fit your needs. Each unit comes pre-assembled, and with ease of installation, you will be up and organized in no time. From Hardware Resources, organization made easy. If using a variable speed screw gun with clutch to install your new organizer, make sure it is set to a lower setting. Begin by double checking your cabinet for the correct sizing. The minimum cabinet opening is 33 inches for the wood pantry Swingout, and the door mount units require 13 inches of available door space. Both organizers are designed to fit into a 48-inch height opening. Place your cabinet door on a scratch-free surface and position the pantry door mount on the door. Measuring for clearances, center the unit on the door and attach with 4 screws. Measure the height opening and subtract 45 5/8 inches. Divide the remainder by 2, and that will be the size of the temporary mounting support needed to hold the pantry Swingout in place while installing. Cut and then place the temp block in the cabinet under the mounting location. Place the pantry unit on the block, making sure the center cabinet support is seated firmly in the rear notch of the pantry brace. Firmly secure with 3 number 8 by 1 1/4 inch flathead wood screws. Operate the unit to check for proper clearance.